What's the meaning of conscientiously? Conscientiously. Conscientiously.
Conscientiously. Conscientiously. Conscientiously means to do something with great care, diligence, and attention to detail, guided by a sense of responsibility and ethics. When one performs a task conscientiously, they are meticulous in their approach, taking extra care to ensure that everything is done correctly and to the best of their ability. This can lead to a higher quality outcome and a greater sense of personal satisfaction and accomplishment. However, it can also be time-consuming and require significant effort, making it important to balance conscientiousness with efficiency and practicality.